Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to import content using RSS Feeds plugin. So this one is the file that I have got from my client, and now we need to add this content in WordPress website. For that, we need to install a new plugin that's free of cost. Here you can go and type Feedz, and here you can see this one is the plugin. 50,000 plus active installations with 4.9 star ratings. So now you get three options. First one we need to use, then click on get started. You can also click here, go to dashboard. You can go here and click on import posts, this one, then scroll down. So before importing content, you can go and create some categories. Then after that, click on new import. Click on start button. So first of all, you can add here feeds URL, this one. Press enter, then scroll down, and here you can map the content fields. First of all, you can select post type, and here you can select the category. After that, select the post status, so where you want published draft, so this one. And then here add item title, post date, content, featured image. You can also insert tag from here, this one, and then click on save and activate importing. Click on run button. Now here you can see it is done. Reload this page. Okay, 5 posts are imported. Let's go back to the blog posts, this one, and here you can see all of the blog posts are added.